Hey everybody, so today we are going to be looking at my new tablet. So let's go. Here we go. And here we today it has a charger. It has a charger and then okay guys, my mom didn't let me get my tablet, but I still have my charger. And look what it can attach to. It attaches to this. Okay guys, let me open my tablet already. Look at this, guys. No, guys, look. I don't care about this stupid. What else do I take off? What do I take off? Okay, guys. Okay, it's already turning on. And guys, look at this. You can do anything you want on this. Okay, guys, look. This is how you play games.
Okay, so we're just gonna set it up now.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to Fire.
Thank you, Daddy. They spelled my name wrong.
What do you mean?
They spelled my name to get this tablet.
It said Brian, not your name. Okay, so let's set it up. No, not Happy Home.
Okay.
Okay, so we're connected to
Where's the charger?
It's right there. It's right here. Okay, guys, look at my tablet. It can do anything that it can.
You don't know how to set it up. Okay.
Oh, yeah, who?
Brianna, shut up. Okay, so it's updating your Fire. So we'll just wait for that to finish.
How excited are you? Do you know how excited I am?
Thank you.
Super excited about this, guys, because I never had a tablet. But I do have a tablet. It's an old one that I hated because it doesn't let me do anything.
Brianna, this is the same thing as your other one.
No,
Okay,
I am
so
Brianna Martin.
So it's finished updating.
And guys, I can understand. My parents can do this, but we can do this.
Anyway, here's
Wait,
error.
please. This is a 6.
That's 8. It's ASMR, guys.
Brianna, no,
ASMR.
don't it.
ASMR, guys.
Guys, look. No, it's not. Bye, everybody. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe in the comments, and give this 10,000 likes. Bye, everybody.